So it's already Thursday, and you're getting ready for the weekend because most of us tune out by Friday. And I was just wondering, how many lunches can I have on a Saturday? How many same people do I have to see on Saturday? How many malls can I go to on a Saturday? How many handbags can I buy? You know what? How about doing something different? How about doing something for yourself that doesn't involve parking hassles, traffic jams, expensive gifts, and fattening lunches? How about joining us at Kechara Forest Retreat for Spiritual Saturday? You experience a lot of different things. One of the things that caught my attention was this singing bowl healing. And I think for those of us who are a little bit artistic, statue painting. There's also lighting of candles, which is very meritorious. So instead of going around going, oh, who shall I have lunch with, and then stressing out by Thursday night who to have lunch with, and then filtering out the people you don't like and don't want to have lunch with, but are afraid to be seen to have lunch with someone else, so stressful. And deciding what lunch to eat that's not fattening, so stressful. Why not a stress-free spiritual Saturday at Kechara Forest Retreat?